What's up, my Glam family? Welcome back to another video. If y'all want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, join the Glam family. Get cute over here, okay? Alright guys, you see I already did my brows, and now I'm going to use this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the black at the bottom right corner, and I'm just going to build up the color, and I'm putting it in above my crease area. All you have to do is just build up this color because black is kind of hard to blend out. And I also try to pat the color on instead of swiping it, just so that you can get the color to be more pigmented. So yeah, just do a patting motion and not swiping if you can, because sometimes you don't think about it and you swipe the color across your eye, but you don't really want to do that. So now I'm taking this red color. It's almost like a maroon. I didn't want to go too bright with this color because I wanted to still keep it in the fall color area. But just pack this red color on and bring it up to your crease, and then after you build that color up, you just go back and forth with the two brushes to blend them out. So like I said, you just have to blend those colors out, and we're gonna move to the face. So y'all already seen me do my face before. One of these days I'm gonna do a more in-depth, detailed makeup tutorial, because sometimes I just don't talk throughout my videos, only because I have 3 pups that love to talk. If you are a dog mom or dad or whatever, I don't know. I know a lot of women watch my channel, so if you're a dog mom, then you understand my pain. Yeah, they like to talk, and I also have neighbors who like to bump on the walls and stuff, so I just feel like y'all don't need all that extra noise. So whenever I get the chance, I will do a detailed video, because I know some of you like the detailed videos and y'all like to hear me talk and explain what I'm doing. So yeah, y'all just continue to watch me finish off my face and everything, and I hope y'all enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.
You can't tell my mind. been watching you.
Okay, I just want to pop back in here. The lip pencil I'm using is Espresso by NYX, and this is a lip liner, like I said. And then I'm just taking that to line my lips. And I'm also going to use the NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss in the color Shy. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch y'all in my next tutorial. Bye, y'all.